Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Musam Selego posted on Instagram yesterday. As we guys know, in South Africa, it was the first day of the school for all the students from primary to elementary, which we call crash, to high school learners, and for the tertiary learners, they will be opening schools around February. And I was like, this man, he's so supportive of his girls. The one with the skirt is his daughter with Umakele, and then the one with the long pants is his daughter with Umagwabe. And I just feel like Utsamile Banabahai, like he literally accompanied them to their first day at school, which I think that is amazing. But I also at the same time want to criticize that this is what I'm talking about when I say polygamy doesn't really work, in my opinion, from what I'm seeing, because he's only accompanying these girls. How many kids does he have who are attending school? You see, this is what I am talking about. Or maybe he doesn't post about it. I mean, he doesn't have to post everything on social media. But what about the other kids? How do you, as one man of four wives and so many children, try to be there for each child? Because it's impossible at this point. But I mean, it's great to see him so supportive of his girls, and I will all wish them all the best. And he also captioned it, "I am proud of you." So I suppose they left primary last year and they're going to high school. And Usne also posted a photo of her daughter who happens to live with Umatlele, the woman that she calls her mother, on Instagram on the first day of school, just like her dad. But she rather posted her daughter on her stories rather than her post on Instagram. And I was just asking myself, Nguthi, like, I wonder like how like their routine as a family is, right? Because if I'm not mistaken, this is the same child that lives with Umatel. So yeah, I don't know how things go, but she's wearing a different uniform from her sisters. So I believe that she probably is at a different school, I'm assuming. But I'm kind of a little bit salty about it, and I want to tell you why I'm really questioning this. Ne? I'm questioning it because of Mosamselegu in the past episodes of seasons of Utando Nestembu. He definitely said that he did not want this child, right, including the one that she has. She also has a boy child. And my Macele was trying to like navigate giving her like the Macele, sorry, the Mseliku surname. And it's something that it seemed like he just wasn't on board with that. And I don't know whether it was deliberate or it's still coming, or he didn't feel the need to post his granddaughter who happens to live with his wife. This is not the granddaughter that lives elsewhere. They live together. When he goes and sees his first wife, he also sees this child. I don't know, but I hope it's nothing malicious. But either way, we all wish well to all them Seleko kids on their school year. And yeah, they must be blessed. So I'll see you guys on my next video.